Hello everyone, welcome to Talking by GTM. Recently I got a problem. The problem is the GA4 e-commerce item. The e-commerce item on showing on here perfectly, and the item, how many item processes, and the total revenue, item view as well as add to cart. This all data is coming last 3 days. If I select last this date, you will see the item viewed and add to cart not showing because of we did not set up. But recently I set up on here 90 to 20 and the data is available on here. If the data is available, so these data should be come on the view item and add to cart. This is the purchase item. If I go, this is single purchase event. This is the event name coming from the event. If I go on this purchase, you will see here is no items is coming on here. It's not item, it should be items. So item is not coming on here. Okay, as well as if I go on here, so here is still not coming on here. Sorry, the begin checkout is still not showing on here. If I go on the old data, if I show you the old data, then you will see some object is showing on here because of this object array. The product array is not perfectly sending on these items. Okay, now I'm going to again the last 3 dates, again going to on here. This is the add to cart. This is the same issue, the same way on here, but this is showing all data is available on this ensemble cart. Okay, now I'm going to make a preview, and this preview button is showing on here. If I go on the view item, you will see this is the item name and this is the view item. All data is perfectly available on here. Okay, and if I go to like add to cart, I'm going to the add to cart event. If I go on here, so you will see the add to cart is quantity is dynamically coming on here. This is super cool. Okay, also the begin checkout. If I go on the begin checkout, you will see this item is 3 items and the quantity is different, and the brand is also coming. Brands category, all data is perfectly coming on here. So you see all data is perfectly tracking on here, but last 3 days I see there is no data is showing on here. Do you have any idea how we can fix that? But if you have any solution, please let me know, or 1 week later I will send a video and that will help for you to how you can fix that. So see you on my next video. Have a great day. Bye.